Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm talking about cucumbers, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to go well with cucumbers. So if you are looking for something a little bit different to do with a salad or something that has cucumbers in it, hopefully this will help you out. Cucumbers are known to go well with anise, basil, borage, capers, caraway seeds, cayenne, celery seeds, chervil, cilantro, curry powder, cumin, dill, garlic, ginger, horseradish, lemongrass, lovage, marjoram, mint, especially spearmint, mustard, oregano, paprika, parsley, pepper, saffron, salt, savory, seeds like poppy seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sesame seeds, tarragon, thyme, turmeric, and za'atar. I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.